Why does your scanner show the P2070 engine code? What does it mean? P2070 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake manifold tuning valve stuck open. It indicates the PCM detects that the intake manifold tuning valve has not moved from the open position when commanded to close. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty IMT valve, wiring issues, vacuum leaks, intake manifold runner binding. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Audi, and GM vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.